I haven't done a video like this in a while, but I wanted to give a quick update on a big project we have coming up. I bought this house about 8 years ago now and completely gutted it to its studs and have rebuilt it to what it looks like now. It's about 1,700 square feet of livable space. And then we have about a 400 square foot garage that's actually being used as my workshop. A lot has changed over those years. I've gotten married, we now have 2 kids, a growing family, and we've sort of grown out of the space that we have. Now we're very thankful for it, but we just want a little bit more space so we're not crammed on each other, so we can have family and friends visit and have a spare bedroom, to also be able to have a garage that we can actually park our cars in, and just some bigger closets, wider hallways, and maybe a few less steps for parents and grandparents to get in the house.
13, 14, 15, 16.
We're essentially going to be building a new home that's going to connect to the existing structure, and we'll remodel this a little bit to be as efficient as possible with the space of the old one and then the newer area. And we're going to kind of try and tie them together as best as possible. We have our plans complete, all of our permits are ready, and now it's on to excavation, concrete, and framing. I feel like many of you might have the same questions I've had, so I'm going to do my best to document the process as we add on, to hopefully give you some ideas of just the overall steps involved, so that you can decide if adding on or building and maybe owner generaling is something that might work for you. If you are a company that potentially wants to collaborate and have some of your products, maybe it's appliances or cabinets or any of your services, seen on my YouTube channel, I'd love to collaborate. I do have a form you can fill out in the description below. If you're a contractor, a subcontractor, maybe you've owner generaled your own home and you have some advice or tips to share, please let me know. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm looking forward to documenting the build and sharing our journey with you. Cheers.